I am going to show you the best way to go live on your channel, either using the normal YouTube live or Restream. You know, Restream is trending now, so you can take the opportunity, but as you are taking the opportunity, do it rightly so that your channel will not get demonetized later. You know, it's either you use normal YouTube live and go live. The reason why I encourage live now is because YouTube are pushing lives just the way they push shorts last year. You know, the live has been on YouTube for ages, but before, people do the normal horizontal live, just the way I'm keeping my camera now. But now, YouTube is encouraging people to do vertical live stream. All these things are coming because all of them are seeing the kind of weight TikTok is pulling. So everybody now is following that algorithm that TikTok use to conquer the whole world as far as social media is concerned. So they are encouraging people to go live, especially vertical live stream. Vertical live stream is your camera will be like this. Your camera like this. So if you do your vertical live stream, YouTube will push it more. You know, so if you want to do live stream with normal YouTube live, it is okay and it is also encouraging. But if you want to use Restream, that Restream can help you to upload a pre-recorded video and it will be played as if you are on live. Playing that pre-recorded video is not the video you have already uploaded on your channel. You go and carry it and be posting and be playing. No. It's not video that you download from other people's channel. You go and be using it as live. No. Record a fresh video. You can go to the beach. Do you know you can go to the beach and record people, you know, having fun? Just as you're having fun, you record. Keep your phone vertical, just the way you do on TikTok. Use it and do YouTube live stream. You know, even if you don't want to go live immediately, you can do the 1 hour video or 30 minutes video. You come back home, edit it, then use Restream and post that video. The video will now be as if we are on live. There are many ways you can do this thing. So let us go into how you are going. First of all, I will show you how you will do a live stream with your phone on YouTube app directly. And secondly, how you are going to do it using Restream. So these are the two things I'm going to show you. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you can get all the knowledge. Let's go. So, alright, I'm going to show you how to go live with your channel using a normal YouTube app. So it is very simple. What you will do here is to click on YouTube icon. Click on this YouTube icon. But first of all, check if your channel, make sure that your channel is signed in. The particular Gmail that you want to use, the particular channel that you want to use and go live, make sure it is signed in. Then before you go live, for those of us that have multiple channels, then you click on this plus sign below. If you click on this plus sign below, you will see shorts, go live. You will select the go live. This is the one you will select. Don't click next yet without clicking this pencil icon. Before you click next, click this pencil icon. Then look at this phone that I'm touching now. You can use this phone to decide if you will go horizontal or vertical. Keep it horizontal or vertical, but I would suggest you keep it vertical because YouTube is pushing vertical live stream now. So keep it vertical. Then click on that pencil. It will open. Then you type the name you want to name your live. Like you put the title that you want to use for your live stream. Put the title that you want to use. Jazzy live stream. Okay. Then you add description. You click on description, or you can leave the description. Then look at this schedule for later. This schedule for later now is maybe if you want to schedule your live stream to start at a particular time. Maybe now you want to go live maybe around 6 p.m. and you want to use now maybe around in the morning and set up everything. You can just set up using that schedule for later, so that by that time all you just need to do is to pick up your phone and you will be live. All right, but aside that, if you want to go live immediately, just use the normal visibility settings. Use the normal visibility settings and put your video on public. You put it on public so that once you click go live, automatically you are going to be live. Okay, so look at it. You just click public. We have members only here or unlisted. This members only is for people that have members, people that joined their channel, that are paying monthly for being part of their channel. All right, so that's for it. So but put it on public so that plenty people can join your live. And this one, if you want to go live together with a particular channel, you can turn this on so you can invite somebody to join your live. If you want to put description, you put. If you don't want to put, you leave it like that. Then that location, don't put any particular location so YouTube can share your video. Go to advanced settings, turn all this thing on. If your channel is monetized, you turn on your monetization. Then after that, you prepare to go live. You click on next. Now after clicking on next, don't go live now. First of all, click on this pencil icon at the top left corner. Click on the pencil icon at the top left corner so that you'll be able to put your thumbnail. If you did not click it, your thumbnail, YouTube will just use your profile picture as your thumbnail for the live. But you have to put thumbnail so that your live stream is going to be catchy. So that if anybody sees the live stream, they will join you. So if you click on that place, you click on upload thumbnail. Look at the thumbnail I choose. Any custom thumbnail that you have, you put it for the live. Then before you click on go live. All right, so I am going to show you two different things: how to go live using YouTube and how to go live using websites like Restream, so that you will be able to even upload a pre-recorded video. You will upload a pre-recorded video and the video will be going live. That is for those people that are handling a faceless channel, you understand. But this is exactly how to go live using the normal YouTube app, and this one is very, very recommended for people that are using their face. If you are using your face, use normal YouTube app and go live. But if you are not using your face, now look at what you will do. This is how to use Restream. That is what I'm going to show you now. Just follow me. Now if you want to use Restream to go live on your channel, look at what you will do. Click your Chrome browser, you type Restream, Restream.io, you click on it. You click on Restream.io. So this is how it will open, right? This is how it will open. So you will now go for sign up for free or continue with Google, right? This thing now is, both of them are the same thing. This sign up for free, they'll ask you to put your Gmail, you understand? So if you have your Gmail already on your phone, the Gmail that you're using creating your channel that you want to use and go live, you just click continue with Google once and for all. There is no time, you know. So these are my Gmail. I select the particular one I want to use and go live, you know. Now they will say sign in to Restream, blah 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 blah, terms and condition. You click continue. You click continue, so it will enter. You will see my channel now will appear here. So now look at my channel. My channel have appeared here. Now click on this plus sign, new stream. Click on new stream, right? If you click on new stream, that particular video you have edited that you want to use, that particular video that you've edited that you want to use, you go to video file, you click on video file, right? Then you click on upload video. You click on upload video. So let's assume now I tap any video here, it will upload, but I don't want to upload any video. Let me use the one inside to show you, right? So now this particular video, now let's assume now I've uploaded the video. This is how it will look like. Then you click on next. You write this thing, the title. Let's say live stream with Jazzy, right? Then after that you put your description. Anything, you know, description can be long. Anything you want to add as your description, you add it. Connect with Jazzy on live stream, right? So this is it. Then you click on next. This is how to use Restream to go live. Now what again, if you want to add other accounts like Facebook, Twitch,
Twitter or add another channel. That is to show that you can go live. You will be active on both here and here at the same time. So that is what it means. Now, this is to schedule. This is to schedule the particular time you want to go live. 16th, maybe the time 1:30. Let us leave it as this 1:30. You have to turn this thing on. This toggle. You understand? You will turn it on. Okay, now pay attention to this particular place now. Look at this place. They wrote edit. Click on this edit. You understand? Click on this edit. So you'll be able to put thumbnail, right? Now, this place is the most crucial part. Look at this place. You can decide to put it on private or public. But since you are going live, you put it on public. Now, this thumbnail, you click on replace thumbnail so that you use your hand and select any thumbnail you want to use. Let me select this one. Let me select one of these thumbnails. So look at the thumbnail I added. This is the thumbnail I added. So I've added thumbnail. You click on save. Okay, so after that, you click on create event. Once you click on create event, you are good to go. Thank you very much, and do well to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos like this.